you guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing. I wasn't originally going to do it this month because it was actually not scheduled to get here until next week, and I figured that would have been too late, but it just came in the mail today, so I figured why not. So if you guys are one of my newer subscribers and you came over here because of my DIYs, you guys stay tuned. I have a really awesome DIY coming soon. Hopefully it will be up next week. So, well, no, it will be up next week. So if you are not interested in my Boxycharm unboxing, then I will see you on my next video. But if you do want to see what I got in my box, then just keep watching. All right, so I will say I did look at the email with the spoilers, but I honestly don't remember. I have seen so many unboxings and I feel like everyone got the same darn thing. So I don't know. I feel like this month might be a little boring just because everyone kind of got the same stuff. Not that it's bad, but I don't know. I just kind of wanted to see something different. So when you open it up, it looks like this. And there seems to be two cards in here. One of them is for $10 at the Ulta Skin Bar. What's the Ulta Skin Bar? This month's Boxycharm is Au Naturel, which, okay. I don't really want to look at the back yet because I don't want to know everything that I'm getting. So the first thing I do see in here is the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. This retails for $35. It says, get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. So I do have to say, I love getting masks or facial cleansers in my Boxycharm because I just like trying out new stuff like that. So let's see what this smells like. It smells very, it smells very oily, like essential oils. Not that that's a bad thing. I did just get it out of my mailbox though, and it's like 110 here in Phoenix. So it is a little, maybe it's like a little cooked. All right, next thing I see in here is these are the Luxy Brushes, and everyone has been like raving about how it came in a little recycled pouch container, so this you can just throw it away, which I thought was really cool too. And I love Luxy brushes, so I am not disappointed with these. Oh, these are different looking. Those are cool. They're like kind of rustic wood looking. Most of the other ones are kind of shiny, like shiny pink, but these are kind of a wood look. That's cool. So this is a precision crease brush, if you guys can see that. And then this one is a large eye blending. Ooh, I needed a blending one so bad. So that is really cool. That's what that one looks like. This is just a foundation brush, but I will say I've been seeing people put their mask on with this brush, and I'm totally gonna do that because I love applying my masks with either one of those rubber little spatulas or a brush, just so that it doesn't get all over your fingers. So I have a feeling that's what I'm going to be using this one for. And this brush set retails for $30. I love Boxycharm. Also, if you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, I'll put a link down in the description box below and kind of tell you guys a little bit more about it. But I've gotten many subscription boxes in my days, and Boxycharm is by far the best. You're going to get 5 full-size products. They're awesome brands. They're great quality, so definitely worth the $21. Let's go to the lip gloss. I was going to pull out the palette, but so this is from Alamar Cosmetics, and this is a lip gloss in the color Corazon, Mother of Pearl Gloss Corazon. I'm gonna try it on. I'll do a swatch for you guys and try it on too. So yeah, it's definitely kind of shimmery. It's really pretty. It smells so good. Can't tell what it reminds me of. So that is what that looks like. It's kind of hard to see it because of the light, but it's really pretty. Definitely has some shimmer to it. It's really, really pretty. Oh, and that retails for $10. Next, I am seeing, well, I'm just gonna pull these last 2 things out. This one is a Peel Gel Liner Deep Taupe. Let me see what this says. It is line and define your eyes or lips with your new Appeal Gel Liner. So this is what this looks like. So yeah, it's just like a deep brown color. This would probably be good in the waterline. I don't know that I would put it on my lips, but maybe. That retails for $21. Wow. Okay, so the last thing in here, this is from Butter London, and this is a little eyeshadow palette. This is the cutest little packaging. It's kind of like wood, and it's got flowers on it. That is so cute. Try not to blind you. So that is so pretty. Well, that's really pretty. And I don't think I have a palette with these colors in it. These are all really, really pretty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch them on my arm a little bit and show you guys. I think they're very, very pretty. I definitely don't have a palette like this, so I really am happy with these colors. I can't wait to give them a shot and try them on my face. All right, so that palette retails for $32. So yeah, overall I'm really happy with this box. I know I said it maybe was a little boring, but I think it was boring because I watched too many unboxings and I kind of just knew what I was gonna get, but I am very happy with it. So let me grab my phone and add up and tell you guys the value of this box. Okay, so this box retails for $128. That is I mean, yeah, that's good. Everything in this box is really good, high quality, I feel like. And yeah, 128 bucks, that's a good deal for only $21. I only spent $21 on it. And this variation is number 2. And let me find out because you guys, I know you guys have asked the weight before. And so my weight is 0.8 pounds. So yeah, just under a pound. So if you guys were curious about that. All right guys, that does it. I hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see you all soon. Bye.